Within days, life begins to push through the soil.
Deep in America's richest farmland, every garlic harvest begins with a single clove planted by hand. Each clove is carefully positioned to grow into a full, flavorful bulb.
Thousands of acres are dedicated to growing the perfect garlic. Within days, life begins to push through the soil. Under ideal conditions, garlic grows stronger and bigger than ever imagined.
Balanced irrigation keeps the soil moist and nutrient-rich.
Farm experts monitor every plant for quality and consistency. Agricultural specialists select only the best crops for production. When fully matured, garlic is carefully harvested to protect its structure.
Each bulb holds the flavor that will soon transform into pickle. I'm here where it all begins.
Fresh garlic is cleaned right in the field before transport.
Workers sort bulbs to maintain uniform quality.
The best garlic is packed for delivery. Every crate is carefully handled to avoid damage.
I'm here where it all begins, watching how garlic is grown and selected before it even reaches the factory.
Large quantities are loaded for transport. Every inch of space is used efficiently. The journey from farm to factory begins. Miles of travel bring garlic closer to processing. This is where transformation starts. Garlic arrives at one of America's largest processing plants. Teams work together to unload each shipment. Initial inspection begins immediately.
Only the best garlic moves forward.
Thorough washing removes dirt and debris.
Air drying prepares garlic for peeling. Skins are carefully removed by hand.
Now the garlic is clean and ready.
Each clove shines with freshness.
We've entered the factory where raw garlic is cleaned and prepared for the next stage.
Garlic is cut into precise sizes for pickling.
Consistency is key to flavor absorption.
Prepared garlic is collected in bulk.
Quality checks ensure uniform pieces.
Next, it moves towards seasoning.
Salt enhances preservation.
Traditional spices define the taste.
Vinegar adds sharpness and balance. Everything is blended thoroughly.
The transformation begins here. This is where raw garlic becomes pickle.
The mixture is transferred for fermentation.
Each container is tightly sealed. Controlled conditions ensure perfect aging. Regular monitoring maintains quality.
This is where garlic slowly transforms into pickle through natural fermentation.
Flavor develops over time. Fermentation creates rich texture.
Experts test for balance.
Rows of barrels store thousands of batches.
Now it's ready for packaging.
Clean jars are arranged for filling.
Each jar is carefully filled. Oil seals freshness.
Lids are secured tightly.
Every jar is inspected. Presentation matters.
Brand identity is added. The product takes its final form.
Ready for packing. Now we see how the finished pickle is carefully packed for distribution.
Packaging is done with precision. Boxes are secured for safety. Large volumes are prepared. Goods are transported within the facility.
Thousands of units are stored.
Tracking ensures accuracy.
Orders are organized outside.
Pallet 42, that one goes over there.
2, 3. Distribution begins here.
Pickle reaches markets nationwide. From here, it's on its way to stores and kitchens across America.
Garlic pickle reaches stores.
A household favorite is chosen.
Ready to be enjoyed. From farm to table, this garlic pickle completes its journey.
The flavor is bold and rich.
Delicious.
Consumers love the taste.
It complements many dishes.
Fresh aroma fills the air. Every detail reflects quality. The cycle continues every day. Dedicated teams keep production running.
New batches begin. Left, stop.
Consistency is maintained. Teamwork drives efficiency. Human effort ensures authenticity. Scale defines the operation. Pride in craftsmanship is visible. Output continues to rise.
This massive operation never stops producing high-quality garlic pickle.
Precision defines each step. Flavor sealing continues. Every jar is secured.
Brand identity stands strong.
Ready for delivery. A hub of activity. Logistics in motion. Distribution network expands. Workers shout instructions and coordinate loudly. Journey continues across the country.
Reaching consumers everywhere. From a single clove to a jar on your table, this is how garlic becomes pickle inside America's biggest factory.
Quality is tested scientifically. Every batch is verified.
Cleanliness is essential.
Standards are maintained. Final checks ensure that every jar meets strict quality standards.
Approval guarantees safety.
Products reach international markets.
Watch the left side, despacio. Clear this.
Export expands globally. from a simple clove to a global product. This is how garlic becomes pickle inside America's biggest factory.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.